Hello, Self Love Tribe. I'm Megha Bhatia this side, and welcome to my podcast, Self Love in 60 Seconds. There are times when we go against the God and we are cribbing about things that God, this is not happening, that is not happening. What are you doing? Why are you doing? Why me? And whatnot. The blabber goes on. But I want to tell you this that universe is not against you. Universe is with you. Yes, it is working for you. And every single incident that has happened in your life and is happening in your life, the kind of people you're meeting, the kind of places you're going to, is meant to happen so that you can learn the lesson, so that you can become the best version of you. You might not be able to realize it right now, but trust me, when you will connect the dots in the future, it will all make sense to you. As I sit here, and I also believe that a lot of things that has happened in my past has actually allowed me to choose the purpose of my life. If the incident would not have happened, I would have never realized the importance of working for the cause that I'm working for right now. Even Steve Jobs states that you have to trust the dots and somehow the dots will connect, and just trust and have the faith in anything that you believe in, your dharma, your karma, yourself. It can be anything. And even Mother Teresa stated this, that I know God will not give me anything I can't handle. So my dear, you need to have faith in that superpower, and you will be able to connect the dots. So today I want you to connect the dots of the things that has happened in your past. Is it making sense to you now? If it's making sense to you now, it will make sense to you in the future too. You cannot see the future right now, but it will make sense. So connect the dots. Have a pinch of faith. Hey self, I love you. If you like this episode, you can always stay in touch with me on my Instagram account, that is Megha Bhatia 31. If you would like me to cover any specific topic or talk about anything related to self-love and help you grow in your journey, feel free to reach out to me, drop me a message, drop me a feedback, or even if you want to share your story or be a part of this podcast, feel free to reach out to me on Megha Bhatia 31 on my Instagram account. Stay safe.